Presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 25Z Bighorn Lone Star, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, air conditioning and air conditioning ATC with dual zone control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.